Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to show you how to uninstall this big microwave and replace it with a new one. Let's do it. Okay, first step is to unplug. Safety first. Want to make sure it's off. You want to just remove everything from inside this plate, this glass plate, because you're going to move things around. You don't want to break anything, so take it off. Next we unscrew these the other side as well. Okay, so after that you just take it off. It stays on these ledges here,
Wall plate.
on these wall plates. So you just bring it down as soon as you unscrew these two bolts that are here at the top. That's it. We put the old one on the floor. Okay, we took the new one out of the box. We have all these things here that come with it. The back plate, as you can see, is already screwed in here. It comes with the microwave. And we are unscrewing the back plate.
And we put the screw back.
Put the screws back on. This is our old back plate. This is the new one. It's exactly the same, as you can see. So we're just gonna use the old one.
And the distance between here and here is the same one.
Distance from top and bottom is the same, so we can just leave this in and put the new one right inside. So this is the old one. The height is 16.5. And the new one is the same height.
Here we have this is the one. So
This is for exhaust fan.
It's not gonna go like this because of this knob.
Yep.
What is this?
Yeah.
This is folded. So the only way
Slide it in.
to slide it in is this is the way.
Yep. And this is for exhaust fan. Over here it goes over.
Okay, it's done.
And again, we're reusing the old one, but the microwave comes with a new one here. Okay, now we put it back on the ledge at the wall over there. This is a new one, and then you screwing the bolts from the top. And the second one. And the last step is to plug it in into the outlet. Okay, set up the clock and put other things inside. So we have the plate. Okay.
Turntable.
Okay, put your fan screens on. Mount both sides. Okay, and it's fully working. And that's how you replace the old microwave with a new one. As easy as that. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Bye.